We're in Central here today. It's Saturday, the sun hot, and we're doing a little tour Central as far as San Fernando. So we're eating today. We're making some stops. We have about 6 stops to make today.
So we can call this our food tour podcast?
We're doing whatever. We're doing whatever. We're eating and we're on the road. And we're on the first stop here by Central Chowmaster. And
Chowmaster's in Caripichaima.
In Caripichaima, Freeport there. So we're going and start to eat. And we're starting the day. Oh, we got the samples and coconut. Thank you. Okay. So we're starting off with the cucumber. It's real hot or it's lightly hot? Tasty. Alright.
This is coconut, by the way, guys, if you all didn't know. Very tasty so far. The pepper hit my ear, which is good. I'm not a pepper person, but so far I can tolerate this. Huh?
Thank you. Bikini bottom, so I'm supposed to drink it now? Ooh. Alright, so we have the chow, pineapple, dragon fruit. I'm seeing some things. I taste the shadow bunny and thing, but it has something else in it. Which is good. Lashes. Okay, so we are at stop number 2, Parlour Royale in San Fernando. And it's a pastry shop, perfect for desserts. They have nice cakes, they have nice tarts, they have nice pies. So we're just going to get a few things to eat because, well, we missed stop number 2. This is supposed to be the dessert stop, so we're going to see what they have. I'm seeing some chocolate cake that I'm interested in, and a cookie, a pecan cookie on the counter. It is a chocolate cream cheese strawberry cake. Lactose intolerant people might get a little problem, but we're taking the risk today because we're out and we're eating food, right? So we want to take a piece of the chocolate and a piece of the cream cheese. Let's see how this goes in. Oh, this is like a cheesecake. It's not just like cream cheese, it's like a cheesecake. It's a nice balance. It's not too sweet. That's perfect. This is what we have now. Mushroom galette. And it's not looking like tin mushroom. It's looking like proper fresh mushrooms. Yeah, it's looking like... Look at you, saving lives. Okay, so now we're having these savory items. Well, dessert before what? Dessert before the main course. Sometimes you have to switch it up. Yeah, sometimes you have to switch it up. So, this is the curry goat pie. This one is not for the eye. You remember?
I'll be having that one.
Rasta do eat goats, right? But we have a mushroom pie and a spinach and feta pie. So, we're going to try the mushroom pie first because mushroom is life. Right? And, okay. So I'm going to have crumbs all over my face, but it's part of eating food, right? So we're going through. Pastry is flaky like that. Flaky. It's good. Mushrooms are already so good. So, but this is really nice. Oh, wow. It comes all over my face. The pie eating me, but it tastes good. Nice and creamy. Smooth.
Never had this before, first time, but exceptional. Proper curry goat flavor, wrapped in this flaky pastry.
It's good.
It's not salty. It's very flavorful. It's flaky. It's not that the pastry has absorbed, you understand? So it's sappy, it's still crisp.
Yep.
This is excellent.
It's identifiable flavors.
It is like,
So the cake was really nice. Woo, flakes all over my face. The cake was really nice. Tart was really nice. I lived through the goat people. They love off on the goat pie. And yeah, they generally have nice things. They sell out though. So you cannot really come here after 3 is late. 3 is late, 2 is late. So get here first thing in the morning, get your stuff for breakfast, get your stuff for dessert, for dinner one time, and head back home because they sell out. So we are in Trellis in San Fernando. So this is in Tradewinds Hotel, St. Joseph Village, kinda St. Joseph Village, South. So we're here having some, early dinner, and we have some nice vegan, vegetarian options for you here today. So the first thing we're gonna try is a rice cake. Well, it's sushi rice, formed into a rice cake, fried, topped with soy sauce, gochujang, and like a pickled cucumber. So you have a lot of little Asian flavors. You know, some Japanese, some Korean, the gochujang. And we're just gonna try it here. I think it's crusted with some sesame seeds as well. So it's crunchy, but then the inside is also soft. Oh God. Oh, they fall down. But it's okay. This is very good. This is really good. I ordered a vegan meal. We have a cilantro pesto tagliatelle, pasta. And you'll be seeing some, it looks like pumpkin seeds. I added some tofu. I kind of sneaked the tasty tofu already. It's fresh tofu, so it's not firm tofu. So it's a little softer and the texture outside is a little crunchier. They seasoned it lightly and topped it with some mixed greens, I guess, yeah? So this is my early lunch dinner, yeah? So let's try it. And this is the tofu. I'm not sure what they fried it, the coating was, but as I said, it's fresh tofu as opposed to firm tofu. Lightly seasoned, but it's good. Enjoyable.